This is AKASO Brave 7, and today I will show how you can insert and eject the SD card in this camera. So first, take your action camera and, if it is powered on, switch it off by holding the power button. Now take it out of case if it is in one, or unmount it from the stand, mount, or well, whatever is the accessory your camera currently has mounted or connected. Once you are holding the bare camera frame, look at its left side. If we are looking straight at the left part of its frame, or left side rather of its frame, you have this little open switch. So push it to the bottom to open the charging/memory card compartment. Now take your micro SD card and simply insert it in. Then push it all the way so it can mount properly, or actually before that you need to, well, make sure to position it properly. So I guess that's the right position. Yep, so the way that you should put your memory card into the camera is like that. So contact part on top, then put it in, and now push it in until you will hear a very distinctive click, which will signal you that the memory card is, well, installed successfully. We can quickly switch on the camera and confirm that it actually sees an SD card. And since we do not have the no SD card message here, that means that, well, the SD card is, well, initialized and acknowledged. Now let's power off the camera once again. And, well, if you would like to take it out, push it in. Once you do that, it is going to pop right out, and, well, simply take it out using your fingernails or fingertips. And, well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye-bye.